Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk about how do I use EasyBib to create a works cited page. You're going to need EasyBib in order to create this page for your social cause project. So let's start from the beginning. First, you need to go to, if you look at my first arrow, to easybib.com, and you're going to get a web page that looks like what is in front of you. The first thing you need to check on is that you have MLA formatting marked because we're using modern language. We're not using the Psychological Association, Chicago, or any of the others. From there, you need to import from the web browser the site that you got your information from. Let me show you, for example. For my social cause project, I was looking at UNICEF. I had taken some information from this page, and what I did was I took the UNICEF at the very top here, and I copied, and then I pasted it into my site source. After that, you go over and you click on Cite It. When I click on Cite It, it gives me a page that looks like this. With this page, you can see first the information that the source gave us. We know that the website title was UNICEF, the article title is the United Nations Children's Fund. We know the date that I accessed the web page. But the problem is we don't know the publisher, if it was electronically published. We don't know the authors. So you're going to need to go back onto that site and try to find some more information. Next, you click Continue, and you're going to see a bunch of red boxes pop up. With these red boxes, that means you might need to make some changes. For example, if you look at my source type in my article title, I first had some red stuff saying, it's too long. Well, I went and put the direct page that I got the information from. I got it from the Who We Are page. Then the contributors, who contributed to the website, who's helping put this together. Could not find a specific person, so I left that blank. Publisher or sponsors, I knew it was the United Nations Children's Fund, so I filled that in. And I know that it was electronically published on April 1st of 2003. I scrolled down to the very bottom of my page on UNICEF, and that was noted for me. After you fill in as much information as you can go click Cite It, and that's where you need to click number 2, Create Citation below. You want to get as much information as you can, because if not, it looks kind of funny. If you see these two, NP or ND, you want to be on the lookout. You want to try to find the publisher, and you want to find the date that it was either published or accessed. We talked about credibility of sources. This helps you with you're looking at the credibility of your sources. Next, after I created my citation, you're going to say, hooray, here's your new citation, and it shows it. Since we use Google Docs, you can click to copy and paste citation into Google. Therefore, it's going to start a new page, and you're going to see a new citation page that was created. You can see that the file is successfully uploaded to Google Docs, and you can see go to Google Docs, and then you can see your works cited page. Since we are using this for our social cause project, you will need to copy and paste your works cited page into your PowerPoint or Google Slides that you're going to use for your presentation. Just make sure that you have your slides on alphabetically. This is only an example of one source. You might have multiple sources, especially for our project. You're going to need 2 to 3. Hope you learned how to use EasyBib without signing into an account. Have a great day.